We still have, an active firefight out there. Some of the challenges are that the winds have been so erratic that there's still a lot of hot spots of the fire. We had multiple strike teams up at the Reagan Library doing structure defense up there, and so when it made that run, we were prepared for that. We also had a lot of neighborhoods surrounding the Reagan Library that we had strike teams in those neighborhoods, so as the fire front came towards those neighborhoods, we were ready for it. And then we're utilizing every resource we have, our fire engines, our dozers, our hand crews, and then our air resources. And then the challenges that we've had today is all over the Southern California area, including Ventura County, we've had multiple starts, new fires all over Southern California. We're always hopeful, but we're expecting these conditions until tomorrow at 6 o'clock, and so that's still another 24 hours that we're expecting these erratic winds.